make a house to display our mini dolls. To fit our LOL Surprise, Hair-Dorables, and Shoppies. And we want this to be light so we can hang it on the wall and save a little counter and floor space. We're using a trifold. This is 48 by 36 inches, so it should be plenty of cardboard. We will also need wrapping paper, popsicle sticks, scrapbook paper. We are going to recycle a few of our Hair-Dorable double backgrounds, and we need glue. Remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I start by taking the trifold and measure out 6 inches on the sides. Do this going up both sides so that I can draw a line. I went all the way up 24 inches on the side of my trifold. Repeat on the other side. Carefully cut on the lines drawn. First, I cut across the top at 24 inches. Then we cut the 6 inches off of the sides of the trifold, making a new trifold that is now 24 by 24 in the center and 24 by 6 on the sides. This will be the back and sides of our display house. We can take the leftover 6-inch pieces from the sides and use them as floors. I have one on the bottom. I'll place another one right here, 8 inches up. I use the leftover trifold to cut 2 more, which gives me 2 more to make floors, and I've got a little left over. On the back wall of the trifold, draw a line going across at 8 inches, then another line 8 inches from the top to divide the floors. Glue on scrapbook paper for wallpaper. We can also use the packaging from our Hair-Dorable dolls. If you cut the tape on the box, it easily unfolds. And ooh, that was easy. We can definitely use that. Then we can cut out and glue the backgrounds onto the cardboard. I use a variety of scrapbook paper and backgrounds, so I have a lot of different scenes. Right now, it kind of looks like a patchwork quilt, but I hope it'll all come together in the end. I take the cardboard for the floor, cut popsicle sticks, glue them onto the cardboard, staggering them to make a wood floor. You can also use scrapbook paper, glue the floor into the trifold to make the floor for our first level. Cut leftover cardboard into rectangles. This is 3 inches by 8. Glue on scrapbook paper, glue it to the floor and the back wall to make a room divider that will help to support the floor for the next level. Take the floor and cover it with popsicle sticks again, then glue it into the trifold. Make another dividing wall, glue it to the cardboard and the floor. On the floor for the top level, I used popsicle sticks for some of the flooring, and I'm going to add faux grass to the end. Glue the floor into the trifold. Add another partial wall and a partial roof. Now that we have all of the rooms divided, let's go back and cover some of those rough edges. I use strips of paper for trim around the walls, cut pieces of foam board, and glue them onto the wall to make shelves in the closet. On the outside of the box, glue on wrapping paper to give it a nice finish. I'm going to add some trim onto the edges of the cardboard to finish our dollhouse display. This is 2 feet by 2 feet, and it has plenty of space for our mini dolls. There are even places to store some of our accessories. Add furniture from previous crafts like our doll beach chairs, our kiddie pool. We made a small bed out of craft foam inspired by Carmen's room. Glue artificial plants into a cap to make a house plant. I use scraps of foam and felt to make small boxes to glue together to make a tiny sectional for our mini dolls to enjoy. They look like they could be sisters, and now they can all live as one big happy mini doll family. I can't wait to hang this on the wall. Thank you for joining us while we made our mini doll house display. We are going to have so much fun decorating all of these mini rooms. To do this project, the trifold cost me about $3.50. This is about $3 worth of popsicle sticks and $1.50 for the trim, and $2 of scrapbook paper. A lot of the other stuff I already had, and I recycled many of the backgrounds, so this project cost me about $10. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
Give a shout out to Ava the Pug 12. What's up? Home sweet home. After a long day, I just need someplace to go and relax. Can't relax in here. There's a baby on the couch playing records. Score! Seriously? Soccer? In the bedroom? Finally, an empty room. I'm just gonna lay right here on the floor and take a nap. Last one in the pool is a rotten egg!